What are you guys doing? You'll watch anything, won't you? Well, cool. Watch this gear change on this differential. Like and subscribe. So we got the new gear put on the differential and torqued down to 3 ugga-duggas. Now we go under the truck and get that pinion out of there. See you on the other side. So we got the differential ready to go with the new gear. I just wanted to show you on the pinion exactly what my issue was. You can see those marks there in the center of the teeth. Let's see if we can get in there and point it out. So those marks right in there, that center part of the teeth. Last year I had the pinion bearing go out, and that allowed the pinion to kind of walk around a little bit in there, and it put some marks there down the center of the teeth, and I knew I would have to replace it, but I just went ahead and put a new bearing in, and it lasted me the last year or so. But it was getting a little noisy, so that's the reason we're changing these gears out for fresh ones from Summit Racing. And we just got the races out, as you saw in the stop motion video, and we'll get ready to put these babies back together. I'm not going to worry about changing the side bearings on those because I changed those last year. Those are totally fine. The bearing races are just fine. Spacing is good. There's no lash side to side, and the case is really good in there. So we'll start putting things back together.